Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are staying safe and are in good health. Look at this curry. Isn't this look perfect and yummy? So this is green chicken or chicken haryali curry, and this is a tangy and tasty recipe. It is also famously known as haryali chicken or green chicken. So let's get started. In here I've taken 3 tablespoons of oil, and then here I have 4 medium sized onions which have been chopped. So I'm gonna fry this until it turns to golden brown. Now let's get started with the marination. So here I have handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves. Just I've grinded a ginger garlic paste, so I'm using the same jar. Taken 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste in that, and then added the coriander leaves. Now adding the mint leaves, then goes in green chilies, 5 to 6, and cashew nuts. Then adding a 1 cup of whipped curd in that. I'm gonna make this into a fine paste. Now coming back to the onions are ready. So I'm just gonna drain out all the excess oil from that, because we are going to be using the same oil to prepare the curry. So here I have 1 kg chicken. So let's start marinating the chicken. So first thing first goes the paste that we've made before. So make sure you mix the marinade well and rub it into the pieces. Now goes in black pepper powder, since we are not adding any red chili powder in this recipe. So we need to add much black pepper powder. So 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. And last, add some salt and give it a quick mix. And now coming back to the casserole, add some butter in that. Let the butter melt completely. Make sure that you're using the same oil in which we fried onions. Now slowly add the chicken pieces and mix well. Saute the chicken well until oil separates. This step enhances the taste of the curry. The onions which we fried before, crush them with the help of the hand and add it to the curry. Saute the chicken well and let it cook on low flame for about 15 minutes. So the green chicken is a delicious Indian dish which is made with the chicken and fresh aromatic herbs and spices. It goes well with a plain rice and zero rice, as well as with chapati. Coming back to our chicken curry, you need to stir on this periodically, since we are not adding any kind of water in that. And now I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes until chicken gets nice and tender. It's been 15 minutes. As you can see, oil is separated. And the chicken is beautifully cooked. So there you have an incredibly delicious green chicken. Very simple. You can have it with some naan or roti or paratha or rice. It tastes good with anything. You can enjoy cooking this recipe with very limited ingredients, and they are very quick and easy. So do try this, share with family and friends. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.